After almost 4 decades of wait, the dream project of Train to Kashmir is finally a reality. The dream of the people of Kashmir that they one day will be connected with the rest of the country through a rail link has today seen the light of the day, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in Katra. He not only flagged off the special Vande Bharat train to Kashmir, but also inaugurated the world's highest railway arch bridge on the Chenab River. This is considered to be one of the engineering marvels and a centerpiece of this prestigious Train to Kashmir project. Now, we have been speaking about why this project was difficult, what were the challenges, obviously the geographic challenges, the very fact that out of the around 100 to 120 kilometers from Katra to Banihal, 90% of the journey is through the tunnels. So that tells you how many tunnels had to be made, the kind of challenges including different rock formations, water seeping in, and that also had ensured that even the direction of the railway line had to be moved several times. So this was one of the most challenging railway line projects of the world. But finally, after several postponements, delay as far as deadlines are concerned, it is now a reality, and it is a dream that has come true for the people of Kashmir, who had been suffering because of lack of reliable surface connect. We know Jammu-Srinagar National Highway was an unsafe road which used to see landslides coming down a drop of a rain, and then you had that road getting closed, causing massive inconvenience to the people, to the travelers. That also led to airfares skyrocketing and going out of bounds as far as the common man is concerned. So now he has a reliable 24/7 connection where he can purchase a ticket and be sure about the fact that none of the weather impacts, weather factors or any other factor will weigh in as far as his journey is concerned. So that is a game changer for Kashmir, not only for the travelers but also for the industry, for the businesses, for the horticulture sector, which is the real backbone of the Kashmir economy. It's a 10,000 crore industry, and it was yearning for a proper railway connect as that would help them send their produce in time, save money, and in the process ensure that it reaches the far off corners of the country, various mandis, and they get good money for their produce. And that's something that's going to happen now. They've requested that the stopover, the change of trains in Katra should be done away with as far as railway is concerned, and you should have a proper Delhi to Kashmir network so that this Dil ki Duri and Delhi ki Duri ends. And that is the demand of the Kashmir Valley, that there should be a direct train to Delhi and then more goods train, more robust network so that this train reaches all the far-flung corners of Kashmir, the business nerve centers, the horticulture center points, so that they can take the full potential of this train network is utilized. Now, the next mission for the railways is to connect Ladakh. While it is going to be even more difficult, if not equally difficult, than the Kashmir railway link, but it definitely is possible after the success of Kashmir Rail. So that strategically important location will now see a railway line being built very soon on the lines of the Kashmir Rail network, and that is the next mission for the Indian Railways. With Campus and Muzaffar Ahmed, Mir Farid, Srinagar for India Today.